1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. This is Andrea and I wanted to come on and let you all know that this is what I got from the post office today. Yes. So I will have a lot of yarny goodness to share with you all. I will have a lot of unboxings to do. So I really look forward to showing you all what I got. Also, there is a giveaway for Pride Month that is stashed away in one of these packages. So stay tuned. Thank you all for watching and have a glorious day.